What's up, guys? Scorpio Adventures here, back with another video. And here, you're at the Spirit Halloween. And tell me, guys, is this the world's smallest Spirit Halloween? It goes over there too. But yeah, I got the lights and everything. Alright. What's his name? I forgot. They don't have the thing. I'll put a little thing down. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let's step on it. This is the first Spirit Halloween I've been to for YouTube. So there he is. He's rocking the glasses. I love him. Alright, we'll wait. Alright. Going over to Scarecrow. I'll put a thing down for him too. Here we go. He just laughs. Alrighty. We got this sitting Scarecrow. Oh, I think he's broken. Yeah, he's broken. Alright. Here. Got this one.
So why don't you come a little closer and let's play a game? If you win, you'll get a prize. If you lose, well, don't say I didn't warn you.
Alrighty, guys. It's very small, guys, so I'm gonna do the best I can. You can see the Beetlejuice stuff right there. You can see some animatronics. Yeah, so the one next door to us, there's also, it goes to two different stores, I believe. I don't know why. But, it used to be an old Buckle. See some more animatronics and the creepy guy right there. There's a desk right there. We'll go check some more out over there. Back rooms. I see Spirit. Excuse me. You can see his skeletons. I don't know why the Beetlejuice stuff is not over there. I guess they didn't have enough room. I don't know. Alright, let's go in the old thing. And no, this is not an exit. I don't know why it says that. It has it on both doors. So, here's the second one. Lots of animatronics. So this is inside the Buckle, I believe. Not sure when they opened up. Maybe I'll put like a thing up when they when they opened up. I'll ask an employee, but yeah. You can see the ghost face stuff right there. I'm not sure, but I believe this was where you would check out, because it's two different colors. It's very weird. And then there's also lights right here. I don't know. Let me know if you know. There's a mirror over there. Michael Myers stuff. Horror section. Yeah. There's some back rooms right there. But yeah, that's about it. This store doesn't have much to offer. can go everywhere. Sorry it was such a short video. It's very crowded, but yeah, hope you will enjoy this. Yeah. Alright, you can see it says Spirit Halloween here. And with that, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.